Now we're on a flat surface, so it won't be going fast. It goes as fast as you want it.
Good
You
job.
steer the bike. There you go.
Good job! Wow, you're a big girl.
Remember, push back on the pedals if you want to slow down. There you go. See? Come on.
Come on, pedal.
Well, I'll sit right here. You keep going.
You pedal, yeah.
And one tip over, I promise.
That's what the training wheels are. Hi, sweetheart. I'm right here.
Touch you.
Good job. Of course. Look at you.
This is my first time.
Do you like it?
Ever.
Yeah.
Layla, you do it amazing.
You are. I'm so proud of you. Wow.
There you go.
Good job.
Okay, now you try on your own and come right here. Just here. Just here.
We're right here. Look. Here we are. Just try to pedal. Yeah.
Oh, look at you. You're doing amazing. Okay, you got to steer though. Make sure you steer to stay in the middle of the sidewalk. See, Layla, you're doing amazing on your own.
I'm doing it on my own.
I'll stand right next to you in case you want me to hold on to it. Keep steering. You got to watch forward so you steer.
I'm so proud of you. Good job. Layla, say thank you, Nick, for my
You don't have to
bike.
get off. I'll come across the street with you.
Layla, say thank you, Nick, for my bike.
Thank you for my bike.
Welcome.
Whoa. Wow.
Merry Christmas, Layla.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, we'll come across with you, Lon. Here, it up there.
I'm right here.
I'll help you start it up again.
Watch.
Ready? There you go. Okay. Right up. Now try to push back on the brakes to slow it down on your own. See? That's all you have to do. Okay, keep going.
You're doing amazing.
See, that's why you have
It's okay, good job.
Look, it won't tip over. See? That's why it's turning good.
Yeah, see? Mommy's right here. And look, you have Nick right there. Look at you.
The seat needs to come up more because...
I agree.
Here, let's stop. I'll show you. It just needs to come up a tiny bit because I'll show you why.
That was awesome. High five. Up here. Right here, Layla. Yeah.
Why is that car on blue?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, Layla, come try this now.
Yeah.
Okay. Why is the bike there? Right that. Whoa.
Is that good?
Yeah, thanks for putting training wheels on so I won't tip over.
You're welcome. And then
Bye-bye.
once you've done this for a little while, then we can start taking the training wheels off because you won't need them, but not for a while.
Only when I am 5.
When you're 5, right.
Good boy.
You're doing such a good job steering the bike and pedaling. You love it? Oh, watch how you're going.
Good job.
There you go.
Whoa. Look at me. Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm doing it on my own.
I'm so proud of you.
Good job. Okay, steer to the right. Watch where you're going.
Ah.
Hey, you got to keep your eyes forward now and watch where